In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the WordPress icon from your browser tab. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out with your personal blog, a custom site icon or favicon is essential for giving your site a unique look and feel, and removing the default WordPress icon is an important step in establishing your site's identity. So, let's start the process by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll see a series of menus. You want to click on Appearance, and from the drop-down, select Customize. This will open up the WordPress Customizer, a handy tool for making theme modifications in real time. Now, inside the Customizer, locate Site Identity. This is where you can manage various elements related to your site's identity, including your logo, site title, and importantly, the site icon. When you click on Site Identity, you should see an option to select or upload a site icon. The default WordPress icon might be set here if you haven't yet updated it. To replace this with your own favicon, click on Select Site Icon. This will take you to your WordPress media library. If you've already uploaded your custom icon file, you can go ahead and select it. If not, simply click the Upload Files tab, choose the file from your computer, and upload it. It's important to keep in mind that your file should be a square image and at least 512 by 512 pixels in size, to ensure it looks great across all browsers. Once your favicon is uploaded, make your selection, and you'll see a preview of how it will appear. If everything looks good, click the blue Publish button at the top to save your changes. Congrats, your new site icon should now show up in the Browser tab, taking the place of that generic WordPress icon. After changing your site icon, it may take a moment for the changes to reflect due to caching. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing your browser, clearing your cache, or even checking in an incognito window. These little tricks usually do the job. And there you have it, a simple yet impactful way to customize your WordPress site and give it a more polished, professional look. Implementing your own favicon is just one of many customizations you can do to personalize your website, making it stand out in the crowded online space. Thank you for tuning in today.